Have you ever wondered how to get a beard lined up like LeBron James? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do that right after this intro. Before I do that, quick, make sure you click that like, that comment, and that subscribe. Fade Master Lowe's here, live and direct. Let's go. We here, we live, about to show you how to do this beard lineup like LeBron James. I'm gonna run through this cut real fast. Once I get to the beard, I'm gonna give an in-depth tutorial on how to do it.
Fade Master Lowe's here.
Hold up, D-Young. This you?
Now, when it comes to the beard, we're going to start off by lining up the back side of it. Stay on the outside of that jawline. I'm going to freeze the frame just so y'all be able to see it. You see how I stay on the back side of it, of the jawline? Keep it wide. Keep all those hairs. Now, the next step we're going to do is flip the clipper. We're going to flip the clipper around and have that top blade facing underneath. And we're going to go and start cleaning up the top of the beard. With LeBron James type beard, you want to kind of go underneath the cheekbone. You see where that bone is? Go underneath that cheekbone. Now, usually with LeBron, he doesn't have his connected with the gold teeth. So line up the mustache, bottom, top, flip the clipper over, boom. Quick little lineup on the mustache. Now at this point, I usually go ahead and put the razor on it, but that's a whole nother tutorial for a whole nother day. Check me out on all my other videos to be able to learn how to use that razor. I'm gonna speed through the rest of this cut. Stick with me.